Hi friends, today we are going to see the next part of the automobile engineering. So already we have seen the introduction that is in unit number 1 and that includes the specification, classification and the numbers of parameter that is related with the automobile. So next that is unit number 2 that is related with the steering and the suspension system. In this video we can continue with the steering system principle. So let us go through the content. So first we can see the objective, the purpose of the steering system and the steering system principle, the main causes of the steering. So first that is a student should be able to understand the working principle of the steering and suspension system. So figure shows the basic that is a idea that is related with the steering mechanism. So what is the purpose? So the primary purpose of the steering system is to allow the driver to guide the vehicle. The system includes that is a steering wheel which that is a driver controls and the steering gear which changes the rotary motion of the wheels into the straight straight line motion, or it is also called as a linear motion. And finally that is a steering linkages which transmit the steering gear movement to the front wheels. So now you can see the figure. So in this figure that is a linkages are provided, that is a steering wheel, it is a connected with the steering column through which that is a numbers of linkages are provided, in which that is a universal joints. We can use two or more universal joints and with the help of intermediate shafts, and that transmit the mechanism or the motion to the particularly toe end, and that is a connected with the linkages. So reduce the efforts of the driver, we can use particularly that is a two hoses, that is a pressure inline and the outward direction. So inlet that is a provides the power steering pump. So pressurized oil we can transmit through the pressurized oil through the gearbox, and particularly we can reduce the effort of driver. And the heated oil we can cool with the help of fluid cooler that is provided in front of the vehicle inside the bumper. We can cool that fluid, and that will again goes to the reservoir to top of the that is a power steering pump. At the end that is a ends are connected, toe ends are connected to the steering knuckle. So this is the basic concept of the steering mechanism. Now we can see the steering principle. So function and the basic principle of the steering system is, along with the suspension system, allows the driver to safely and easily control the vehicle's direction while driving. It helps to swinging the wheels to the left or right. It provides the directional stability. It converts the rotary motion of the steering wheel into the angular turn of the front wheels. It multiplies the effort of driver by leverage in order to make it fairly easy to turn the wheels. And finally, it absorbs the major part of the road shocks, thereby preventing them to get the transmitted to the hands of driver. Now you can see the figure. In this figure, so figure shows already we have seen the basic concept, that is the steering wheels. It is connected with the column steering that is near to the steering box, in which recirculating ball arrangement or the other arrangements we can provide, or worm and worm wheel, and pitman or the drag link motion that converts the rotary motion into the linear motion, that is a semi-rotary action of the drop arm that gives the push and pull action to the drag link. So that is easy to control the wheels with the help of ball joints, and we can connect through this ball joint to the kingpin on the one side of the mechanism, and track rod it is provided to transmit the motion to the other side with the help of ball joint and steering arms. On the both side we can provide the steering arms. So that is on the stub axle we can provide the wheels. So easy and with less efforts we can drive the wheel. Now we can see the animation for the steering system principle. So this shows the animation. This is the steering wheel, and that is connected with the particularly steering column, and in which that is a numbers of linkages, that is this is the universal joint, it is provided, and that is connected with the worm and worm wheel, sorry, that is a gear steering gearbox, and through which that is a linkages intermediate shaft, and the two or more we can use the universal joint. This is the pitman that is connected with the, that is a ball joint and provided to the end of the kingpin, and that is a whole arrangement, that is a stub axle on which we can mount the wheels, and other end, that is a, this is the one end we can connect, and the other end we can transmit the with the help of the track rod. This is a blue color, that is shows the track rod, and transmit the motion to the other wheel, so we can easily move the wheels to the left or right with the help of this mechanism. Okay, so this is the basic concept or the principle of the steering system. Now the function and linkages of the steering system. The function of the steering system is to convert the rotary movement of the steering wheel in a driver hand into the angular turn of the front wheels on road. Additionally, the steering system should provide the mechanical advantage over a front wheel steering knuckles, offering driver an easy turning of the front wheels, and with a minimum effort in any desired direction. Already we have seen in the animation that is the main causes of the stiff steering, that is includes. So these are the reasons, that is insufficient lubrications in the kingpin, or that is the steering linkages, there is a tire pressure, it is too low, or it may be that is a wheels out of track, that is a toe in, it is a not corrected. This concept toe in or toe out we can see in next video, that is related with the steering geometry, and the stiffness in the steering column itself caused by the lack of lubricant over tightening. So these are the numbers of reasons that is a stiff steering occurs. So that will be avoided with the different remedies, and these are the figure shows particular, that is a numbers of parts of the steering system. So stay connected for the next videos. So thank you. Like, share and subscribe and comment on the video, and stay connected for the next video that is related with the steering system.